Tell me something. If I ask you boundary of a cricket stadium and then the surface of a pizza, will you use the same formula? Both are circles, both have radius, but one small confusion and your final answer will be wrong. आज के इस वीडियो में हम रियल लाइफ रिलेटेड सर्कल क्वेश्चंस सॉल्व करने जा रहे हैं where students mix up area and circumference. Pause the video before I solve and see if you pick the right formula or you make the mistake. In this video, you will learn when to use circumference, when to use area, and how exam questions cleverly confuse you. So, don't jump to the formula straight away. First, understand the situation. A circular cricket stadium has radius 70 meters. Find the length of the boundary. Stop. Just don't start solving it. First, think. Are we covering the field or going around it? We need to find the length of the boundary. That means we have to go around it. So, we use circumference formula. And formula to find circumference is 2 pi r. Value of pi is 22 by 7. 2 pi r is equal to 2 multiplied by 22 by 7 multiplied by 70. Now 7 ones are 7, 7 tens are 70. That means 2 multiplied by 22 multiplied by 10, which is equal to 440 meters. So the boundary length is 440 meters because we are going around. So we are not going to use square word in the answer. So tell me in the comments, did you use formula for area or circumference? Now let's take next question. A pizza shop is preparing circular pizzas of radius 14 centimeter. If cheese is spread evenly on the entire top surface, find the area that will be covered with cheese. Now, first think, are we going around the pizza or we are going to cover the surface? We are covering the surface. So, we will use area formula. And formula to find area is pi r square. Value of pi is 22 by 7 and value of r is 14. So 22 by 7 multiplied by 14 multiplied by 14. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. That means 22 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 14, which is equal to 44 multiplied by 14. That is equal to 616 square centimeter. So 616 square centimeters of cheese is needed. So inside means area, and for area we use square units. And what are the units here? Centimeter or square centimeters? Square centimeters. Now next question. A circular garden has radius 12 meters. If the gardener wants to plant grass over this entire area, how much space will be covered? Now first think, do we calculate around the garden or inside it? We are calculating inside it. So we will calculate area. And formula to calculate area is pi r square. Value of pi is 22 by 7 and value of r is 12. 12 multiplied by 12. 22 multiplied by 12 is 264 and multiplied by 12 again is equal to 3168 divided by 7, which is equal to 452.57 square meters. So 452.57 square meter area will be covered with grass. Now next question. A runner completes 5 rounds of a circular track. Radius of the track is 35 meters. Find the total distance covered. So first of all, we will find one round. And we will find circumference here. And formula to find circumference is 2 pi r. 2 multiplied by 22 by 7 and value of r is 35. 7 ones are 7, 7 fives are 35. 2 multiplied by 5 is 10. 22 multiplied by 10 is 220 meters. Now that is just one round. So please don't stop here. We have to measure 5 rounds. That means we will multiply 220 by 5, which is equal to 1100 meters. एग्जाम्स में इसी टाइप के क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं और ये जो लास्ट स्टेप है यहीं पर स्टूडेंट्स मार्क्स भी लूज करते हैं। तो आपने इस चीज का बिल्कुल ध्यान रखना है कि आपसे 5 राउंड्स पूछे गए हैं तो आपने आंसर भी 5 राउंड्स के अकॉर्डिंगली ही देना है। नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, अ सेमी सर्कुलर सीटिंग एरिया हैज रेडियस 14 meters. Find the total boundary. Now it's very simple. Boundary means circumference, right? And because it is semicircle, so we will take half circumference, isn't it? No, just taking half circumference will give us wrong answer. क्योंकि semicircle में हमने half circumference तो ले लिया, लेकिन उसके साथ semicircle की वो straight line भी तो है diameter वाली, है ना? उसको भी तो हमें मेजर करना होगा। तो इफ यू फॉरगॉट द डायमीटर you are definitely going to lose marks. First of all, we are going to find half circumference, and formula to find half circumference will be pi r only. Value of pi is 22 by 7 and value of r is 14. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. 22 multiplied by 2 is 44 meters. Now we will add diameter into it. Now diameter is just double of radius. That means diameter is 28 meters. That means total boundary will be 44 plus 28, which is equal to 72 meters. So just remember, half circle doesn't mean half boundary. Will you include diameter? Yes or no? Now next question. A circular garden has radius 10 meters. A 2-meter wide path is built around it. Find the outer boundary of the path. Now this question looks very easy, isn't it? Do we use radius 10 here? Because 10 is given as radius? No? No, we are not going to use 10 as radius. Because the path is outside. So the new radius will be 10 plus 2. That is equal to 12 meters. Now we will find the circumference, which is equal to 2 pi r. That means 2 multiplied by 22 by 7 multiplied by 12. 2 multiplied by 22 multiplied by 12 is equal to 528 upon 7, which is equal to 75.42 meters approximately. तो देखा आपने, just 2 extra meters and the entire answer changes. So always remember, around, then no square unit in the answer. Inside, then we will use square units. Extra path, add first. Half circle, don't forget the diameter. So formulas don't confuse us. Situations do. Next time you see a circle question, just don't jump to the formula. Ask yourself first, around or inside? In the next video, we will solve even more mixed circle problems. Thanks for watching.